Welcome to the show, everybody. I'm Ryan Carella from Academica Media. So great to have you here for our very first episode of Charter School Superstars for the new year. We took the summer off, but we're back. We're fresh as a daisy. We're ready to interview some amazing, innovative charter school leaders like our guest this week. He is the Director of Career Readiness at the Reach Cyber Charter School in Pennsylvania. Reach Cyber's online curriculum focuses on providing career education, including education in the trades, to its students remotely to help introduce them to as many career pathways as possible. You can find out more about our guest's work by visiting www.connectionsacademy.com/reach-cyber-school. We are happy to welcome JD Smith on the Charter School Superstars. Hello, JD. Oh, we can't hear your audio there.
And of course,
there
as everything goes, the virtual world. Ryan, thanks for having me. I'm so happy.
Hey, we all took the summer off. We're all shaking off the rust here. Don't worry. I'm really excited to talk to you, man. First of all, I love career education programs. Love seeing career education in the charters, and also a big fan of online curriculum and online learning. So excited to hear from you about how all this goes together and the role that you play in all of it. So to start us off, can you tell us a bit about the work that you do over at Reach Cyber?
Yeah, pleasure. Again, thanks for having me. At Reach, I am just trying to break down any barriers that exist for students that attend our school, and make sure that they're making an informed decision when it comes to their future once they graduate from Reach. So it really started with looking at traditional VOTEC schools, and seeing the programs that we have, and students asking if they could still stay at Reach but go to VOTEC because they were interested in, wood shop, carpentry, and those things. And that's actually where I got started. I was able to connect with the Carpenters Union here on the East Coast, and they said, take this curriculum and run with it. Whatever you do, build it. And so that's where we started, and carpentry is our first program.